1. Big Dog Robot. The first robot on our list embodies the dreams of the American infantryman. This assistant, created precisely for these strong guys, literally carries all the weight that previously had to drag the soldiers themselves. To be honest, it does not really remind you of a dog. However, it still can follow a person even with a load of up to 500 kilograms. 2. Robot Fish. First, that can be said is that this particular robot came out very beautiful. It turned out so impressive because with the next level inventions, it completely imitates all the habits and movements of fish and can easily be confused with the real one. Today, several dozen of these robotic fish are in different sizes and various breeds. 3. Robot Bird. Back in 2011, the world saw the first robot bird. The scenery is extraordinary because the robot, imitating albatross moves, floats and flies precisely like its feathered prototype. Today, there are more than 20 such robots, and each of them is unique. 4. Robot Snake. Of course, not all robot things that actually exist have a purely military purpose. For example, the snake robot that may seem scary at first. Its tasks are more than noble. It seeks and saves people in places where no one can get in. For example, under the rubble after earthquakes or mine accidents. 5. Robot Cheetah. As you know, the world-famous runner Usain Bolt is capable of overtaking a real cheetah. But a cheetah robot can easily catch up with and outrun them both. With the fastest predator, the robot has little in common but speed. 6. Robot Octopus. One of the most exciting, amazing robots that really exist is Octopus. It was created for deep-sea exploration, and today is used for its intended purpose. Silicone tentacles are driven by electric motors and accelerate the octopus to 20 centimeters/sec. 7. Robot Shark. After the creation of the robot fish, Button was taken by military engineers and scientists, who created a robot imitating the most ferocious marine predator. The sample of this swimming robot shark presented to the public has a length of only 1.5 meters, but it still makes a striking impression. 8. Robot Spider T8. Not an animal, of course, but we couldn't mention it. Spider robot skeleton is printed on a 3D printer. T8 is one of the most shocking and amazing robots that really exist. It has several kits, including a realistic coating. 9. Robot Jellyfish. One of the most beautiful and harmonious robot animals actually exists. Is this jellyfish? It is very much like a real jellyfish, maybe a little mechanized. It can be used in many areas, from pure entertainment in the aquarium to work as an underwater radio anchor in the open sea, leading ships and planes. 10. Bionic Kangaroo Robot. Scientists have achieved a major breakthrough. The robot's motor system returns the energy spent on the jump and uses it to make a new jump. This saves significant resources and can be used for new inventions and discoveries. The kangaroo robot can only jump and positions itself more as a robot than a mass-produced toy. But things can change in the future. 11. The Nekoro Robot. Like other new technology developments in the land of the rising sun, Japanese robotic animals are of high quality and extensive functionality. Nekoro is covered with soft wool and looks like a live pet, both in appearance and behavior. 12. Bionic Ants. For the Bionic Antes, Festo has not only taken the delicate anatomy of the natural ant as a role model. For the first time, the cooperative behavior of the creatures is also transferred to the world of technology using complex control algorithms. 13. Scorpion Hexapod Robot. In the animal kingdom, a hexapod is the name of a six-legged arthropod or a true insect. In the field of robotics, it is a term used for a six-legged robot. A group of students at Ghent University in Belgium have created a 3D printed robot that looks like something from a nightmare or a futuristic sci-fi movie. 14. Bionicopter. Now this robot that actually exists was unveiled by the German technology company Festo. Bionicopter is a fully functional robotic dragonfly. It can fly forwards, backwards, hover, and even fly sideways, just like a real dragonfly. Its introduction marks another step forward in robotics engineering. 15. Sony Robotic Dog. This artificial intelligence puppy Aibo is one of those inventions you must have, especially if you have a kid. His character is unique and will depend on how the owner educates him.